In this video, we'll show you how to use the enterprise policy Centralize Organization Ownership for improved risk analysis and collection management. Enabling this policy creates a private My Items collection for your members, while still allowing you to easily identify and close gaps in your organization's accounts through event logs and access intelligence. This allows admins to send a prompt to affected users that will ask them to review and update exposed, reused, and weak passwords. And when a member leaves, the My Items collection will be renamed to the member's email and converted to a regular collection, which can then be updated and reassigned as needed. To enable this policy, click Settings in the Admin Console. Then, choose Policies. Now, click Centralize Organization Ownership and select Turn On to enable the policy. And check the second toggle if you want users to see a prompt to move their individual vault items to the organization. Now, when members create a new item, it will automatically default to their My Items collection.